Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Xiaomi watches on and off. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down and tap on System. Then tap Power Off. Tap the tick to confirm and your watch will turn off. To turn it on again, hold down on the Home button until you see the Mi logo on the screen. Your watch will turn on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.